guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. So pretty much today we're going on a short little food adventure pretty much. We're going to the market to get a few stuff because we're going up into the Blue Mountains to cook something. It's pretty much in the Blue Mountains, babe. Yeah, Irish Town, Blue Mountains, whatever it is. So we're here at the market now, trying to get some seasoning on them thing there. Alright, so we pretty much just got what we needed to get in the market, but we're in a different part of the market right now. This part is a covered section, but we're trying to get a pot. But I want to support somebody who, you know, makes some local aluminum pot. Like I saw some of these in the hardware, but I want to support like a local producer. So here we see some small pots. If you guys don't know, in Jamaica they make bauxite, which, you know, is good for making aluminum. Yeah, I want a pot. There's no question about it. Babe, which one I pot them? I'm making stew peas. A small one. You think this is good, right? Yeah. I think we want this one. How much is this? 900?
No? Yeah, can you talk to me? Alright, check out that one.
Well, look at you, Judah, in the market. What's up? Say something. We got another stall now. We're still looking for the cooking spoons at the moment. Alright, guys. So I just saw some pumpkin seeds. You guys, babe, in the pot there was pumpkin seeds when we ate it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's pumpkin seeds. So I think we're gonna want one of these pumpkin seeds to put in the pot.
Speak life, live a humble and meek life. Ordinary day of the week life. Try to search and.
So we still have some difficulty finding the whole spoon deal, but not planting. Is it planting? Yeah, I think we found the planting. How much are you planting? Take it when you want. Yeah, sure it is. So apparently those plantains weren't ripe enough for Judah. Huh? Babe, you're so fascinated by these.
They're so cute.
You get the black plant when you want?
Yeah.
You like it black?
Yeah.
Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and you rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet. Yeah. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and you rock with me.
Alright guys, so this part of the vlog is pretty much the part where we get lost with Judah. Sponsored by Chubby. I'm joking, not sponsored by Chubby, but yeah, Judah's about to show us where this river, where I went in that river video before, there's actually a deeper pool, so she's gonna take us, right babe?
I'm gonna try.
We're like 2 minutes in and we're already lost.
Guys, wrong turn.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much, I think we found the place. Well, Judah found the place. Not too long after, we made a few calls. We made like just one short small turn, and yeah, we're pretty much there. Ready for the little adventure, babes?
Yeah.
Although she really don't eat stew peas, so I don't even know what should I do.
Stew peas I just don't eat.
Oh, you need it with meat in there, with the oink.
Yeah.
Rough. Alright guys, so we pretty much just walked down that little hill just now. For me, quick backstory, like my father, well, still is a Rastafarian and used to grow him locks, you know, some time back. So like this kind of food, I'm definitely used to. I remember at one point, when I was a kid, I used to hate it, like 100%. Because back then, like cooking the whole heap of greens and callaloo soup and stuff like that. I didn't like it, to be quite honest, but you know, as soon as I got older, like I was a lot more appreciative of those stuff. Even though right now, to be honest, I would like a little piece of pork in my meat. You so much I love meat, it's a pork in my meat. Rough. Alright. Yep. We see water.
I want to go the next way.
So now we're going the other way. I guess it's a bit more different, so. Oh yeah, but this way looks a lot more hazardous, to be quite honest. I almost fell just now. How is it, babe? Feels good, right? I guess it's my turn. I got all these stuff on my bag. Huh? Yeah. Yo guys, this is pretty dope. Made it. This is a part about being in Jamaica, guys. There's so many little rivers, little creeks, where you can just go free of cost, chill, go try to experiment making your own Jamaican cuisine. You know, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Rasta ital. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so pretty much we're at the top of this little cliff thing. Some people normally jump off here, but like I'm not about that. To be quite honest, it's pretty high. But yeah, you know, this is what Soai Vlogs is about. You know, taking you guys to different places, showing you guys different things. I'm gonna try to show you guys a quick peek, like off the cliff, so you guys see exactly how I'm seeing it. Yo, it's crazy. Alright, so Judah's there waiting for me first. She just showed me the middle finger. But yeah, we're heading to the spot that I think is gonna be suitable to do our little cooking really quick. And yeah, again, we have a little short trek over water. Are you guessing how you're gonna do this, or what?
I'm going to step up front. I want to do a water test first.
Alright, what do you think then?
It's cool. The rocks are kind of slippery.
Babe, throw the cup, yeah.
What's in there?
Shit, the cup's gonna go down the stream.
What's in there?
Cold, let's try it, let's try it. So she finally got across. I'm the one to be more worried because I got camera equipment and stuff, so yikes. How is it?
It's really cool.
It's what?
I wanna go down there. We're gonna jump down.
You're gonna jump down?
No.
Oh. I was like, what?
I wanna.
I literally could be here, guys, showing you the view all day. Like big man thing. I could be showing you the view all day. But I'm gonna try to find somewhere really quick to just set up and cook. I think I'm gonna do it right over there. Alright guys, so we're pretty much about to do the quick setup. I'm gonna get some stones together, put the coal in, try to get it started, and then whip up this food really quick. FYI, the red peas are already done, cooked already, because of course, you know, normally you have to like pressure red beans or red peas. So that's all, that's already pre-cooked already. Then the rest of the stuff, I'm gonna put it together and I'm gonna show you guys all that. And of course you got Judah with her legs in the yo, cut. Of course my girl wants to switch and go over there, so gotta set up again.
Say why.
Huh?
Say why.
I think it's obvious, over there is more leveled.
There you go.
So pretty much we have this ready. So the pot can go on top of it, so that's good. So let there be fire. Alright, we got the fire going, so yeah. Let's do it. Alright guys, so Judah's right there setting up her secondary fire for the plantain. But I'm gonna show you what I have here. I got the red peas over here already done. Some fresh coconut milk outside of the hooks. I got it grated and everything, so it's not coconut powder or nothing like that. I remember pumpkin seed being in the stew that we had up there. Onions, of course, pepper, scallion, thyme, butter. Yo, for the butter, I actually went as far as to see what were the ingredients, and everything is all vegetarian, so that's good. Because I remember one of the subscribers was saying he saw macaroni inside of the stew peas, and he was like, yo, can you imagine if that's not actually vegan? So I found it kind of funny. So we're sticking to completely vegan stuff. Black pepper, carrots, and yeah. So I think this fire is pretty much ready, so I'm gonna get to cooking and let you guys see how we do it. It's really easy.
Hey.
Now I got my butter in. The first thing I'm gonna put in here is the thyme. Give it a little flavor, you know. Got some pepper here now. Drop in a little pepper in it.
Help me. What is helping?
Because I gotta be videoing doing this. It's not so easy. Now so I go through a little coconut milk in. Even with the stuff inside, I don't really care. Putting everything in. Make that go on simmer a little. Now so I go add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Do it to taste. Then got the red peas. Adding that in. You understand? Leaving back just a little bit because I'm going to use that and mash it in to kind of thicken the stew a little bit. I'm pretty much about to make this kind of simmer down a little bit. Let everything thicken and combine. Then I'm gonna show Judah how to start a fire.
Okay.
I wish she kind of did actually watch me when I was up in Blue Mountains, but nah. I'll make this simmer down, thicken together. And as I said, I'm gonna use the rest of the peas here to like mash it together to make like a little bit of starchy type of thing. And help it to go on. Oh guys, I forgot to add the pumpkin seeds, so I'm gonna add those really quick. I'm not adding too much, just a little. Oh man, this tastes good already. It's not even like simmered down. Oh look, a bee. Alright guys, so I forgot to put the onions in, but most of these things, it doesn't really matter. Like you can put them in at whatever time you really want to. Normally what I try to do is to like at the end I'll put some more herbs in there so they're like fresh and not really overcooked out or anything like that. But this is just to help to season the pot, you know. I want to wash this really quick by the river. I know what I bring in here next time. Alright, so I'm gonna cut these onions up. Like I wish I had my tripod so I can be showing you guys this better. As in like my my bigger tripod. But I'm pretty much just doing this like real Rasta style, not any sophisticated kind of cuts. What are you trying to do? Put your face in front of the camera? You gotta go really low, babe.
Nah.
Alright, so this is the peas that I kind of mashed out a little bit. I'm gonna just put those mashed peas inside. It's gonna help to give the stew piece some body. Feel me? Look at that, coming together nicely right now. One thing I gotta do is just let it simmer down so it thickens a bit more. Oh man, I forgot to do dumplings. Should we do dumplings? Huh?
Yeah.
So guys, I whipped up some spinach really quick. I mean, this is the exact amount of flour that I had. So it's not too dry, not too wet, it's just great. The pot will bubble. You understand? So we do it out there, you know. Jack of all trades. We used to have a song in Jamaica. Put it in, you must put it in. Flour and a dumpling gone in. Drop it in, you know. Boom. Alright, so we got the last ugly dumpling about to drop in. Boom. Yeah, so everything gravy. So mix them up on now. And that's everything are boiling. Right where you guys are getting thicker now. Come on, real stew. I'm gonna drop a few thin cut carrots inside of this as well, give it a little bit of color. Alright. Drop in some carrots really thin. Alright, so I already had like a little bit of rice already. I'm gonna pretty much warm up over the fire. I'm gonna throw the rice down like this, pretty much. Feel me? And I'm gonna kind of bucket it. Kind of make it into like a little bucket. Like this. You feel me? And then the rest of my coconut milk, and I'm just gonna take this coconut milk here a little bit and just rehydrate the rice. Now I got my rice stuffed a little bit. That's pretty hot already. To the coal underneath, I just put some more coal on top. So we gooch. There to get a little bit of warm in, yeah. Alright guys, let me tell you this straight up. Like if this video doesn't get like 150 likes, no, matter of fact, 200 likes, I'm not make no more. Like seriously, because this is like really hard. Judah's out here. Judah's out here struggling to get her fire started. It's pretty much going good now. I mean, I don't have a problem doing this because I'm doing this for myself. I like doing it, but in terms of like making the video, bro, it's like extra.
You'll have me having a floor band-aid, okay?
She burnt her hand. Alright, so we pretty much got this fire going. Judah got her plantains roasting on that, so yeah, might take. Quick update guys on Judah's plantains. They're looking good. How did it taste, babe? Did you taste it?
No.
Alright, there we go. That's the stew. Plantains, rice. To be honest, I'm tired of y'all. I just want to start eating instead of like videoing and stuff, but this is it. It's pretty lit, guys. Tastes good. The rice tastes good. I haven't had the rest of it, but I'm gonna tell you guys what's up and how it is. Alright? Yo, if I'm gonna be real honest with you guys, yo, this food, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And the reason I'm not giving it a full 10 is because I put the coconut trash inside of the stew. It was a little bit much, but you can get used to it, but it's really good though. What you think, boo? It's really good, trust me, like it's lit. Plus like the backdrop, you know, a backdrop number 1 right there. And then number 2 right there. Alright guys. Yo, we're gonna go take a swim or whatever it is, but I'm gonna end the video here because I'm tired of videoing all this. I wanna actually enjoy the experience. But yo, if you guys like this kind of video, yo, give this like at least 200 likes, comment, let me know what you guys wanna see us do next, like in terms of cooking wise. And I'll definitely come back out here and do it. But remember these 3 things guys: love, nature, adaptation. Always remember to keep the link.
And food.